So hey y'all, hey, look, listen, welcome back to another vlog. We're gonna jump right into this. I had to do a quick voiceover because I didn't record this footage correctly. So look, listen, as you all know, we are in our kitchen. We have made over our kitchen, tried to do it on a budget. So now we are doing a DIY on our kitchen table. We are trying to expand the table, make it a little bit wider as well as longer. So right now what you see us doing now, we are basically using liquid nails to place our existing kitchen table on top of this to bind this as one, and it will give us a bigger table top. So right now Bubba is helping your girl out. So yeah, as I stated, we are using liquid nails to bind the two together, and after this Bubba will be making new holes, not new holes, but adding holes to bind the existing tabletop to the board we purchased. You all seen us go to Home Depot to purchase this wood to expand the table. So right now that's what you are seeing right here. We're about to bind the two together. Bubba had made, I believe, 6 new holes to put these two pieces together to make them one. So now at this point all the holes are made, and now we are going to use the screws to bind the two together. Answer my question. So the original holes, y'all using the original screws that came with it?
Oh no, yeah, in the original holes.
Yeah,
that you only have, yeah.
Okay.
Oh, okay,
Yeah.
So why y'all didn't put none in there?
Because those go onto the tabletop, onto the frame.
Okay, got you.
Yeah.
Duh. So of course you knew your girl wasn't gonna let this part of the DIY go by without lending a helping hand. As you can see, your girl is down here drilling in a couple of screws or two to combine this table as one. Y'all, let's go, let's get it, baby. It's DIYing over here, baby. Yes.
So what we need, I would like to
So okay guys, the next step is to put the 1x2s on, and the reason for putting the 1x2s on is to give the table more stability. Even though we use the original tabletop to give it more durability, we also opt to use the
1x2s.
the 1x2s to give it even more stability. So that's what we're about to do now, and we just simply going to attach it here. We measure from here to here, and from here to here. We're just going to place them like so, and baby, we will have our stability. Okay, to attach the 1x2s, we are going to use some L brackets to attach the boards to the table. We will also be using liquid nails up under the board as we did the tabletop. Okay y'all, I'm back. So now right now what we're going to do is, well, not we, Boss Lady is painting the underside of the table so it can have a pleasing aesthetic look when you look up under the table, when you drop something, you know what I'm saying? She just wanted it to be cohesive all the way around. So now she is painting the bottom of the table. Okay, so okay y'all, now it's time for us to reattach the frame back onto the table. So As you can see here, if you can just imagine the frame that we put in on and the board that we put on the new board, that was the original table. I'm sure you all seen it throughout my vlogs, but now we're just going to attach this and we're going to flip it up, and then the next step will be us painting the tabletop.
No, I'll drop it.
Drop it?
I mean, don't drop it. But
Okay. What you want me to do?
Let it go. Put it down on me.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Look. Okay. Look, get out of my way. Basically. And now what?
You just flip it up on his feet.
1, 2, 3. I gotta be looking like this because I was trying to move it back, but we could just sit here and then pick it up and move it back. Okay. Country ass table. Y'all did it? Got to go against the wall.
I thought we missed it. Come on, Bob, scoot it back. You'll say that go cuss the wall. Scoot it back.
Yeah, I don't paint it for some reason.
I know, we just trying to, yeah, place it. We just trying to place it, huh? A little bit more. We can cook on it. We got room.
Yes.
Glass is sliding down.
Do you mind?
Oh, I can't stand it. We're gonna do like they do on YouTube.
Yay.
So basically, don't worry about putting it on too thick. Don't worry about covering it. Just your focus is to spread it.
Yeah, okay.
Coat number 1.
So right here, y'all, we're going to sand. We've already put down our first coat and we're going to sand in between coats. I believe we put down a total of 3 top coats, and in between each coat we did some sanding. Oh baby, I gotta be careful.
Yeah. And it's okay if you sand it, because you may just smooth out some of that roughness that's sitting up there. Go ahead and sand it.
It went up.
That's okay. Sand it until it smooths out. Sand it. Yeah, we just gonna have to fix it.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Sand it down. There you go. You got wood putty for that. How'd it feel?
People don't feel like it's cracked no more.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Yeah, sand it down. There you go. All right.
Okay.
Okay, now take your roller and roll this edge.
I know I got too much paint on it.
That's why you need to roll lightly. Don't press too hard.
Well,
Your edges, no?
oh, this?
Yeah, your edges, yeah. Yeah,
No,
see
I'm
that?
saying-
All the way down.
I got so much paint on the table. Come on. I can't get it out.
Why did you do that?
I didn't know it was that much.
Okay, never turn my back. Look at this blob you got here.
I said, also I was getting ready to do
It's
this.
not bad though.
You can't even
To
do
the edge all
that.
the way around. Just spread it out. That's all you gotta do, baby. Spread it out. You ain't gotta press. You got enough paint on there that you ain't gotta press hard.
Yeah, but it's, look what it's doing.
Okay? So try different directions. You know what I mean? Spread it out. You got
Alright,
that much
do that.
paint, spread it out. Yeah.
Okay.
You know how we do a wall, how we tell you to do a wall? Go this way, that way, and then straight up the middle. You poured it, didn't you?
Yeah, that's what you did.
I didn't pour half the can, though.
You want half the can.
Oh, yeah.
Can I wipe over with
No, just spread it. Keep spreading it. You're okay.
So hey y'all, hey, look, listen. It's the next evening, okay? Because we had to stop and we had to go to work. So I've come back to put a third coat of the Kilts primer on here. I'm going to do another sanding and then put another coat on here. It's pretty much smooth. As we all know, sanding just helps the primer coat to stick better. So I just wanted to drop in really quick just to say something, because I didn't really want to do a full voiceover on this video. Let's be honest here. Let's be clear. I ain't want to do all that extra work. So look, listen, y'all. So yeah, that's what I'm about to do. Now put the last coat on here and let that dry. Then we will be ready to start the marbling on the table, y'all. I cannot wait. I am super excited, you all. This is an easy DIY that you can do yourself. If your kitchen is big enough, you can always just go get, you know, those already built cabinets from like Home Depot or Menards or wherever, Lowe's, and you could just get your countertop and you can put that right on top of it. I don't know why we didn't do it, because if we were able to, you know, expand the table a little bit more, I feel like that we should have been able to do it. The reason we didn't get the cabinets because we felt like we wanted seating on both sides of the table versus just having seating on one side. And because our kitchen is small, we didn't want to lose that seating. So that's why we chose to do this DIY with our existing table. As you all saw, you saw how we used the tabletop from the old table. We also added pieces to it, and then we put the new piece on top of that. So we had to drill new holes in. We also used liquid nails to get this table to become one, to mesh together, to marry, whatever you want to call it. That's what we had to do. So I didn't come here to talk long. I just came to prevent me having to do a voiceover, okay? So look, listen, let's get back to this priming, and I'll see you all in the next step and when I turn this camera back on, okay? So okay, y'all, we have come to the end of the video. All this video was. about us showing you how we constructed the table and us putting the primer on top of the table. So once this table dries, the top coat or the primer dries, we will proceed to put down a shade of gray. That would be the color that we would use before we start to marble the table. So the next video you see, it may be that, I don't know, if we run into some type of mistakes, if we have to correct them, we will be bringing you all that as well. So I hope you all enjoyed this video. I'll see you the very next time I turn this camera on. So until next time, until the next video, bye bye.